Hello, everyone. Kay here, and this here is part 2 of the Nintendo Switch 2 unboxing. In the last part of the video, I just got the Switch 2 set up, and so as you can see, I just got like more S3, like right there. Oh, and this is the camera. Oh, and I did not get Mario Kart World, so instead, I got the camera instead. So, yeah, and this one is, well, it decided my door at the car, so I'm gonna put that in and see what it does. So, yeah. I'm gonna put this in. And put it in. And so it's right there, which means, yeah. I just have to know how to open it. I gotta open that. That's right there. You're gonna. Okay. So I'm very sorry about that. So I hope I tried to sort it out, and yeah, there it is. You got that. So you have to open it, and there it is. And you have to put it in. So it's like right there, actually. And so, oh, there we go. I got it. Now that but sorry. So, and here's the thing. I just have to get you one advice. Don't touch the green. So, yeah, don't touch the green protector because you may have mess of it, and yeah, that might happen. My mom told me not to touch it. So, yeah, just don't touch the green because it has protected on it, and yeah, so whatever you do, don't touch the screen. So yeah, anyway, now that I got that put in, and yeah, I just got the camera here and look kind of useful. That I see my face on TV with the night, but only on Game Chat. So, but hey, it could look very cool if it could be really good. So now I got that in. I get it time for the setup, I guess. I had to do that. So I think we're gonna be ready. So let's see if it works. Let's do that. Okay, so this here is my Twitter lay, and this one is the Twitch 2. So as you can see, yeah, you see there is an update saying that there was a system transfer. So I'm going to be doing that, but still, the thing is, I had like, you know, all the game were there and a lot of stuff like that. So here's the thing, even if you transfer everything onto the Switch, then yeah, everything from the OLED will be gone. So yeah, and here it is. So yeah, and I need something there. So yeah. Though the Twitter is close by with the very close. So yeah. Oh, and the other, yeah. Those other users that are not linked into your account. So the account I have is Stupid Kitty Cat, which is the profile of Kirby, Bandana Wally, and Elflin, with the one that the main logo from Korean Wonderland. So yeah. Oh, and the other two friends that already had those because I think they have it. And yeah. Well, I got that. Yeah. And they are all of the game. So yeah. So you're gonna get an AD adapter. They're gonna be doing that. Sorry, it's a bit hard. Okay, so this is my console, and this is the Twitch 2. So yeah. You can tell. The loaded it. Well, yeah, so I'm going to need, yeah. So what I'm going to do is to turn that on. But the thing is, I don't know. But even so, so that's the Twitch 2. Even so, I was going to, yeah. So I'm gonna go for, yeah, so. Oh, I got it. Ah, aha. Look, I did it. So quiet. Yo! Look at that! Yo! All of the game I have, dude. Whoa! Look at that! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. All the game I have, the deal. Oh yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about, baby! Well, they look new. I can't wait to see what that done. That's sick. Woo! That was right. Ah! Huh. I wonder what the loading thing for. Use a Platoon 3 and we demand 2, Korean Uganda, Mario Go Double oh. Wait! The updated? Oh, I forgot. I think they're going to update now. They're gonna get new graphics. Oh my god. Ah. Well, that is good. And yo, that's my buddy, D2, and that my bro, and that yeah. Wait a minute. Oh, and that even though I thought you were gonna be yeah. And oh my god, All the game I have, they load. Oh yeah. Now this is more like it. This is more like it. This is much more better. I can't wait to see what we do. Yo, look at this. Everyone, look at this. All of the game I have. There. Yo. I did not expect that. What? Yo. What? It actually worked? Yo. This is neat. Huh. Oh. Wait. The user and oh. Yeah, I don't know. I have Splatoon 3 with the night. I bet they're gonna be pretty sick. Yo, the music. I already had that. The Metopia, the Advanced Parasite Order. And I have only got some one over there too. Like, this is amazing. Like, how? Like, this is amazing. Like, I didn't know. Go see if I can. Search. Yo, do it. Well, look at that. I got that all in. Well, I got that everything I said, and yeah. Sorry about that. I was just making sure, but still. Anyway, I got that all. that's all it for part 2, and I did that for the whole video, and yeah, well, I hope you all then for what did the video, the unboxing one, and that are going to be beginning of the Twitch 2, the fairly new chapter, and yeah, well, you can tell. Well, I hope you all thank for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next. I'll see you on the new chapter of Twitch 2. Well, bye.